Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be testing the Ilife vacuum robot. It's the V5s Pro. We're going to be testing this robot in what we would call the dirt arena. The dirt arena is containing a carpet and also like a vinyl sort of flooring, typical what you would get in many houses. So what you're going to see, what you're going to witness is how effective this robot will be in your home. So the only thing to do now, let's get started. So now you've seen what exactly this robot can do, the Ilife V5s Pro. Okay, if you have a household with cats, dogs, and a lot of hair that's going to be around the house, and then this is going to be a perfect robot for your household. What we're going to do now is quickly just pop up this button. We're going to take out the dust container. We're going to actually see how much dust this little bad boy has managed to pick up. So it's very simple to open up the dust container. On the back here you just have a little clip, open that up, slide out this top filter here. Let's have a look what comes out. There you go. The Ilife V5s Pro. A fantastic little robot for under £200.